two chemical columns are responsible for this particular settings: the Stuttgarter mass and the dry ride. Okay, so let's have a look at this thing. So you have, it will ask you whether H2O you want to add into the system or not. Okay, if you on, I mean, like, it's going to be completely fully bypassed. If you remember from the 6400, okay, there's a scrub and bypass. So you just need to familiarize yourself with the a bit slightly new terminologies now. Okay, what we can change here is rather important. The first thing is you can control the amount of water that your leaf is experiencing. Okay, so how can you change those water? You can change this. You can be very specific. Okay, you can set it if you know the amount of water that you need to give to your plants. Okay, why? Because you have Stuttgarter mass. You can add water to the system. This is not possible with 6400 model. Okay, so that's very powerful. Okay. But in most of the time, I do not want you to mess with this. Okay, because this involves a lot of calculation in your head, because you need to know what water value that you need to introduce into the system in order to achieve certain condition. What I want you to worry about is this. Most of the time, you are going to set this RH air. RH air means the relative humidity inside the measuring chamber, inside this chamber. But it says RH air there. Kind of like RH sample. Okay? And then the second thing that you can control is the SDA. SDA means saturation deficit. And VPD? What's VPD? Vapor pressure deficit. Do you know what RH is? Do I need to explain or kau memang dah tahu?
Ulang kaji.
Apa aku kena ulang kaji? RH. So the term RH, it means relative humidity. The moment the word relative comes into play,